Can we talk? Ashley. It won't open. The security system must be acting up.
The gate in sub-basement 2 was the same. It's Sophia's fault.
Give me just a sec, okay? Time to crack this puppy open.
Can you fix it? That's right. Ian was Greg's informant. Hey, Ian.
What is it?
Do you know what caused the water pollution?
Why would you ask me that?
I know what caused it. You've been talking to someone named Greg Davis, right?
What?
Come on, Ian. Tell me. Why did you talk to him? The pollution is JC Valley's fault, isn't it?
You really are your father's daughter. Can't resist a mystery. Greg was just as much my informant as I was his.
What? What does that mean?
We're helping each other. We each have our own reasons. I'm a special agent for, let's call it, an investigation service.
What's someone like you doing infiltrating JC Valley?
I was investigating the research being conducted here.
There's something worth investigating here?
The federal government certainly thinks there is. JC Valley's work with human memory is garnering attention. And the big question is if that research can be weaponized. We still don't have any definitive evidence.
The Another.
That does it. The gate's open. Let's hurry to the security office.
Huh. Hmm? Huh. Nah. Nah.
This is it.
Dad? Are you here? Empty.
What the? Someone triggered a system error. This system is supposed to be secure. Who could do this?
Ian, where's my dad?
I'll get the system back up and running. Use the security cameras to look for him. Looks like we avoided a worst-case scenario. That's him.
Dad!
Another error? There must... But who? And from wherever it is, they'll gain total control if I leave this station.
Then you stay here. I'll go find...
No way, Ashley. It's too dangerous out there. But if we can stop Sophia in her track... Okay, lend me a hand. Take a look at the monitor on the right.
Hey.
Can we talk?
Got it. Wow.
Ashley?
Yeah. Ha! I locked Sophia in that room.
Great job, Ashley. That's one problem solved.
Can you find my dad now?
Sure. Dr. Robbins is in liquid memory storage on floor 3BF.
Hold on, Dad. I'm on my way.
I'll keep an eye on things here. Good luck.
No good, huh? Dad!
Ashley? What are you doing here? Are you all right?
I'm fine. What?
I'm fine, but Sophia got the jump on me.
I'll get those handcuffs off you.
They're off. Thanks, Ashley, but how did you do that?
It's all thanks to the RAS.
I had no idea the RAS could do things like that. So the RAS is loaded up with features, huh? Why did Sayoko program them in?
Dad, I remembered something. I came to this room with Mom 13 years ago.
What?
She was arguing with Judd here. I'm pretty sure she was talking about the another.
What did you say? Sayoko was called here by Judd that day? Liquid memory is a storage medium for another. Maybe Judd wanted to revive the another project. So he called Sayoko for help?
Dad, I'm glad you're all right.
And I'm glad you're all right.
I heard you were looking for me, so I came to the lab to find you. But Sophia caught me, I escaped, then I met up with Gina. It's been a lot.
Someone said I was looking for you. Who?
Ryan.
Ryan?
It's weird though. Gina said she doesn't know any Ryan.
Did you meet this person?
Yeah, earlier today.
He's helping Sophia.
Huh?
Do you remember on Blood Edward Island? Bill sent another source code to someone before he died.
Right.
That data was sent here to JC Valley.
What?
Once I realized this, I decided to take a job here. I've been trying to figure out who Bill was working with.
What did you find?
Just a lead. Bill was talking to someone named Ryan.
Really? It has to be a different Ryan, right? He seems really nice.
Ryan knew Sayoko? What is he after? If the another is still somewhere at JC Valley...
Dad? What's the map?
There's something I want to show you.
What is it?
It's in my lab. Let's go.
Okay.
They've got to be around here somewhere. Finally, here they are.
What's that?
Plans for a prototype Another. I found them here.
Early versions of the Another were made here?
That's right. Your mother was working here at JC Valley when I joined. She was on a top-secret project with Judd. They were making a prototype version of Another. But there was a serious flaw, so it was shelved 15 years ago.
I had no idea.
It was the first time she'd failed as a researcher. After that, she reformulated her theory on Another.
And that became the research paper you two co-wrote?
That's right. Do you recall seeing this sort of device here 13 years ago?
Wait here, Ashley, okay?
Mom. I did. I saw this Another.
So it's true. Sayoko came here 13 years ago because Judd called her in. This prototype was here, even though it should have been scrapped. What did Judd call Sayoko in for that day? Where was the prototype Another being kept? I don't understand, Sayoko.
Dad.
You think you're so safe with me locked in here? Naive.
Ugh, not good.
What's wrong?
Someone's accessing top-secret data. It must be Sophia. I gotta stop the data leak. I won't let her get away with this. I stopped it.
Amazing, Dad!
All that's left is to copy the data to this disk and delete it from the PC. That's it. The data Sophia's after is safe on this disk.
I'm glad we can keep it safe.
Me too. It's the source code for the Another.
So that's the data Bill sent?
I'll keep the disk on me, and I'll uncover the truth behind the Another hidden in JC Valley.
Right.
All right, let's meet up with Ian and Gina. Where are they?
They should be waiting in the security office.
Dr. Robbins and Ashley are heading for the exit. He copied the data onto a disk and is carrying it in his pocket.